This presentation on GSB asphalt preservation materials is designed to introduce preservation of roadways to you as an effective way to save money. This presentation is brought to you by Asphalt Systems Incorporated, a company with 30 years history of exclusively producing asphalt preservation materials. Asphalt Systems Incorporated is committed to help change the typical reactive repair and reconstruct strategy into a proactive and preventative maintenance one for our road systems. The idea of treating asphalt pavements and roadways to prevent deterioration before it starts will help to produce better and longer-lasting roads at an overall reduced cost. The following statements from pavement engineers around the country were recorded by the Federal Highway Department. We would like to thank them for allowing us to include this information in our presentation. They have recognized the benefits of the preventative maintenance philosophy to highways and road systems across the country.
Times are changing. It's no longer constructing roads. It's about preserving and maintaining the roads. It's about working with the state agencies and contractors and suppliers to get out and do preservation treatments at the right time so that we effectively extend the service life, improve the quality of service for the traveling public.
Preventive maintenance is a strategy which is planned. It is not reactive maintenance intended to keep a pavement at a particular level of service. Rather, preventive maintenance applies quantifiable, cost-effective treatments to preserve an existing roadway, retard future deterioration, and improve the functional condition of the system. The goal of preventive maintenance is to extend the life of structurally sound pavements.
We all know that we don't wait until the wood is rotted before we paint our house, and the same philosophy should be true with pavements. We should apply a preventive maintenance treatment while the pavement's still in good condition. Just because we're doing a particular preventive maintenance treatment does not mean that it's preventive maintenance type of work.
True preventive maintenance requires selecting the right road, choosing the right treatment, and applying it at the right time. In the past, measuring distress has often been a way of finding failure. Now, the goal is to prevent failure from occurring. Indicators may include oxidation, a change in surface texture, or evidence of the loss of fine materials. In this example, the cracking is more severe and widespread. The pavement's condition has deteriorated beyond the threshold for preventive maintenance. By evaluating current and past conditions, agencies can determine whether or not a pavement is a good candidate for preventive maintenance. Pavements that show rapid rates of deterioration may not be good candidates.
But certainly there are those roads that we'd be better off, or the owner agencies would be better off to leave them alone, let them deteriorate, put the money where it counts.
Where it counts is on structurally sound pavements in good condition that show normal or slower rates of deterioration.
Well, I feel timing is critical to preventive maintenance. Early in a pavement's life, we can do our less expensive treatments and we can get some very cost-effective results. If we wait too long on a roadway and then apply a treatment, it may not be cost-effective and it may not really extend the pavement's life.
You'll feel like you're doing something to a brand new road. Why should I do this? But it really helps in preventative maintenance. You won't see too much distress. That's when you do it. You don't wait till it's too late.
Once a candidate has been identified and the preventive maintenance project has been designed, it's important to act quickly to get the work done. The window of opportunity is brief, generally within 1 year of pavement selection.
Because you could have a good solution, but if you don't get out there and do it in the right time frame, then it no longer is the right solution for that road.
What causes the most deterioration to pavements and to roadways is the intrusion of moisture into those pavements.
We are all being asked to do more with less, which seems nearly impossible. By changing our approach from fixing our bad roads to preserving our good roads, we really can do more. By preventing the first signs of deterioration from ever appearing, we will extend the life and quality of our roads to the traveling public. When given the option between higher taxes required for continual reconstruction and repair of roadways versus the substantially lower cost of preservation, the public will choose preservation. The products proven to treat roads and prevent deterioration before it starts are GSB asphalt preservation materials. These products and their processes have been in use for over 30 years on asphalt pavements in the U.S. and abroad. On a given roadway, just a few short months after completion, the oxidation and deterioration process has already started, which causes the pavement color to change to a dull gray. But with the treatment of GSB asphalt preservation material, water and other harmful oxidation processes are greatly reduced. This fresh new asphalt surface will wear off with traffic, but the GSB seal will remain for years. GSB penetrates the surface and seals from within, keeping the flexibility and stability of the roadway intact, similar to primer that soaks into a piece of wood. As you can see, with this GSB treated square of asphalt, the pavement dries faster, meaning that the roadway has absorbed less water. The preservation allows the pavements to last for a longer period of time. In a recent test of GSB, the treated pavement photo on the right shows less decay than the same pavement's untreated surface just 14 months after application. This shows a dramatic difference in the oxidation that has occurred. In 24 months, the same untreated portion of the pavement shows large cracks as water infiltration has reduced the flexibility lost through oxidation, while the treated roadway shows minimal deterioration. At 46 months, less than 4 years after constructing the roadway, the untreated pavement now shows the speed at which the deterioration process can affect our roadways. At this point, dollars per square yard are required to repair the roadway versus the small fraction of money needed to treat the pavement with the GSB process. Independent laboratory testing performed on this pavement over a 5-year cycle shows improved stability and flexibility of over 30% on the treated roadway versus the untreated portion. When properly applied as an asphalt preservation process, GSB offers significantly longer life to asphalt pavements. The GSB asphalt preservation process has saved as much as 30 to 50% in many cases. You are being asked to build new roads and maintain existing roads with less money each year. The public is demanding a higher level of quality and performance each year. Therefore, we have to find a new process to solve this dilemma, since our current systems are not meeting these needs. GSB is a simple and inexpensive solution to the ever-growing problem of pavement deterioration. The age-old time-tested saying, "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure," when applied to roads, leaves little doubt as to the direction we must take. Road maintenance agencies are being asked to do more with less. In most cases, tax revenues remain virtually static and are certainly not growing fast enough to keep up with our rapidly deteriorating asphalt infrastructure. In addition, we have more miles of pavement to maintain than ever before, and are expected to maintain them with higher-priced asphalt. Because of advancements in the petrochemical industry, we are also forced to work with significantly lower quality asphalt than before. Perhaps it's time to join the many others preserving their asphalt pavements with GSB asphalt preservation materials. At Asphalt Systems Incorporated, we are exclusively dedicated to the philosophy of preventive maintenance and the preservation of our extensive asphalt pavements before they begin to deteriorate, or any oxidation, cracking, or raveling has started. Spend pennies now versus dollars later. Quite simply stated, there is no better nor more cost-effective way to spend your money on your asphalt pavements than early preservation using GSB. It is time to join the many federal, state, and local agencies who have made GSB pavement preservation a part of their roadway strategy. GSB is preventative maintenance. Let us demonstrate the readily observable benefits of preserving your asphalt pavements with GSB asphalt preservation materials. Call now and learn why GSB is preventive maintenance. For more information on establishing your cost-effective asphalt preservation program, please contact a sales representative by phone at 800-972-2757. Again, we would like to thank the Federal Highway Department for their permission to include the information and views of highway professionals from across the country. We hope that this presentation has been educational and will help you to make future decisions regarding roadway treatment and preventative maintenance.